Top 5 dangerous fish that are known killers. 5. Piranhas. The most infamous is the red-bellied piranha, with the strongest jaws and sharpest teeth of all. Especially during low water, this species, which can grow up to 50 centimeters, about 20 inches, in length, hunts in groups that can number more than 100. Several groups can converge in a feeding frenzy if a large animal is attacked, although this is rare. Red-bellied piranhas prefer prey that is only slightly larger than themselves or smaller. Everyone in the group rushes in to take a bite and then swims away to make way for the others. 4. Tigerfish. Apparent from its name, tigerfish is one of the most dangerous predator fishes with razor-sharp teeth and ability of a true fighter and hunter. The fish is commonly found in the Congo River and Lake Tanganyika, situated in Africa. The tigerfish attacks in packs, and their preferred diet includes humans along with large animals. 3. Stonefish. The stonefish is not only one of the most dangerous fish, but it is also one of the weirdest sea creatures. Stonefish is an unnoticeable fish as it resembles the surface of a stone and could not be recognized unless you have stepped on it. Stonefish is known to be the most poisonous fish on the living earth. The pain caused by its sting is incurable, and the victim has to suffer for hours. There is a slight discrepancy in the belief that whether or not a stonefish kills, though some believe that it's only the pain while others argue that its poison can kill within 2 hours. 2. Goonch fish. This catfish family member is most commonly found in the Kali River that runs between India and Nepal. Goonch fish contains razor-sharp teeth and is extremely huge in size, approximately 7 feet in length. What's more alarming is the fact that this fish loves the taste of human flesh. It is referred to as a man-eater as well. So now you know the probable reason behind the continuous disappearance of people around the Kali River. 1. Paora, the most dangerous fish. Paora is also known as the vampire fish and are even more dangerous and vicious predators than the piranhas. They may grow up to 4 feet and are absolutely capable of preying fishes nearly of their own size. Apart from having sharp teeth and 2 front outer tusks, Paora is the only fish that is capable of devouring piranhas, which marks their deadliness higher than piranhas.